Welcome back to Recycled and Saved. We have a 2002 Yz250f. These are getting kind of rare, a little harder to find. This one has been mostly trail ridden. There was a trail pass on the other side of it. You can tell the FMF aftermarket exhaust front and back. Some crash marks, but frame looks really pretty clean, like it hasn't been on the track much. Coolant looked good, oil looked good, everything seemed pretty snug and tight. So really seemed like a pretty decent bike. The only issue is the shock is leaking oil. So the shock is a core for rebuild, but not a working shock. Let me fire this up. It's a cold-blooded, hard kick, but it is warmed up. So make sure you check down below and subscribe so you can see future bikes, so you know parts that are available for your bike. And thanks for looking at Recycled and Saved. Thanks.